What if the next industry as big as computing doesn't begin with artificial intelligence or a new computer chip? What if it begins with coal and natural gas? And what if a tiny public company, almost completely hidden from Wall Street, is already pursuing it? Stay with me, because this sounds impossible until you understand what happened with sand. See, sand is one of the most ordinary materials on Earth. But sand contains the raw material used to make silicon. Human beings learn how to purify it, engineer it, and turn it into computer chips. Those chips now power smartphones, data centers, AI, cars, and nearly the entire digital economy. Sand did not change the world. Engineering did. Now imagine applying the same industrial idea to energy. For more than a century, we have extracted coal, natural gas, and oil from the ground. Then we burned what nature gave us. But what if we stopped thinking about carbon only as something to burn? What if we treated it as a building material? Coal and natural gas contain carbon and hydrogen. Technology can break those resources down into basic chemical building blocks, then remove the unwanted impurities, control the ingredients, then rebuild them into new liquid hydrocarbons designed for a specific job. In this case, powering aviation. That matters because cars can switch to batteries, homes can run on electricity, but commercial airlines must carry an enormous amount of energy into the sky. The law of physics still demand energy-dense liquid fuel, and governments around the world are pushing airlines to burn cleaner. So aviation faces a massive problem. It needs a new energy source that can work with airplanes, engines, airports, and fueling systems already in place. That is where American EcoFuels, ticker symbol AEFI, enters the story. American EcoFuels is developing synthetic aviation fuel intended to become a drop-in product following successful testing and certification. In plain English, the goal is to change what goes into the airplane without changing the airplane itself. Think of it as creating a new product for the gas stations of the sky. AEFI is not trying to sell airplanes. It's pursuing what airplanes must keep buying every time they fly. And the opportunity may eventually extend beyond aviation to cargo ships, military aircraft, long-haul trucks, heavy machinery, freight trains, and industrial generators. Machines that need tremendous portable energy and cannot easily run on batteries. Silicon transformed computing when we learn to engineer an ordinary raw material for an extraordinary purpose. Could carbon become the silicon of energy? That's the opportunity American EcoFuels is pursuing. And it could represent the evolution from extracting energy to engineering energy.